Let's see this question. Cos x is equal to minus 1 by 3. Now here we can use approach of cos x by 2. Let's see. Sin x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2 have to be found for this where x lies in the third quadrant. Now third quadrant implies this is 0, this is pi, this is pi by 2, this is pi, this is 3 pi by 2. This again is 2 pi. So in the third quadrant, this is what we are talking about. Implies x is less than 3 pi by 2 greater than pi. And this implies that x by 2 will be less than 3 pi by 4 greater than pi by 2. Observe this carefully. X lies in the third quadrant, pi to 3 pi by 2 is the value of x. In case of x by 2, you get pi by 2 and 3 pi by 4. Now pi by 2 to 3 pi by 4 is this line over here, right? So this x by 2 will lie in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sin x by 2 will be positive, cos x by 2 and tan x by 2 will be negative for sure. Remember that. We can begin with cos x equals minus 1 by 3. Cos x equals minus 1 by 3. And use formula of half angles. Formula of half angles. What is that? Cos has many formula, right? Let me write a few formula over here. We know that 2 cos square x by 2 or you can simply say 2 cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta. Also you can say that 2 sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. Let's use this. Let's use this. 2 cos square x by 2, half angle of this, will be equal to 1 plus cos x this, which is 1 minus 1 by 3, which is simply 2 by 3. Therefore, cos square x by 2 is equal to 1 by 3. This is what I get. Implies cos x by 2 will be equal to 1 over root 3 or minus 1 over root 3, plus or minus this value. Which value will you consider? Remember, x by 2 lies in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sin is positive, but cos is negative. So this value will be rejected. This value would be accepted since x by 2 lies in the second quadrant. Cos x by 2 will be negative. This gives me cos of x by 2 is equal to minus 1 over root 3. That's the value of cos x by 2. Now, once you have used this formula once, can I use this formula to get the value of sin x by 2? Yes. Let's use this. 2 sin square x by 2 will be equal to 1 minus cos x. Okay. This will become 1 minus 1 by 3, which will be 1 plus 1 by 3, which is 4 by 3. Okay. Let's take write the value of sin square x by 2, which is equal to 2 by 3. This 2 comes in the denominator. This becomes 2 by 3. And from here you can note that sin x by 2 is equal to under root of this, under root of 2 by 3 or minus under root of 2 by 3. Now which value will you consider? In the second quadrant, sin x by 2 is positive. So this value is okay, this value is not okay. This value is okay. So we have found cos x by 2 and we have found sin x by 2. Time to find the value of tan x by 2 as well. Let me get rid of this whole thing over here. Tan x by 2 will be very simple after this. Tan x by 2 is sin x by 2 over cos x by 2. What is this? Sin x by 2 is square root of 2 by 3 whole divided by minus 1 by square root of 3. You see that square root of 3 in the denominators will get cancelled. This becomes minus square root of 2. Tan x by 2 is equal to this. That is my answer for this question. Right? That's all in this question.